Hello, everyone. I've been planning to give away my GoPro Max for a while now, but I guess I never had the chance or I never had the time for it. So this time I decided to give away my GoPro Max, perfect working condition. And I honestly used it maybe a couple of times, maybe like 10 times so far. So it comes with two batteries and a battery charger. I think it has a USB-C cable as well that you can charge this one, but USB-C cables are plenty. You can find it everywhere. It doesn't come with a memory card. So my plan is that you guys leave a comment that you want it, and I'm gonna write down the names on pieces of papers, and then I'm gonna let my son choose who is the winner, and then I can it's like reply back to you or make another video, ask for address and so on, and then I can just mail it to you. But anyway, let me know if you're interested, and I don't have much use of it, so it would be nice to give it someone who might use it for something, right? For me, honestly, since I don't use it much and I don't like the camera itself, so it's not worthy of keeping it. But remember that so many people are saying good things about it. Maybe it's me that I never could use it properly, or maybe it never worked for me the way that I wanted to. But let me know in the comment section if you want the GoPro Max. As I said, perfect working condition, no problem with it. It works just fine, right? And then I'm gonna just write names on the pieces of papers, and then let my son choose the winner. And again, that's gonna be another video. I guess I'm gonna give you this weekend, maybe. Let's choose a date, right? So if I'm posting this video today, and I give you guys time until maybe Sunday. You know what? Sunday late at night, because it's like I think you guys have plenty of time until Sunday, right? Sunday late at night, I'm gonna just write down all the names. Hopefully, there are a few names, and then my son chooses from those names, right? Anyway, thank you, and let me know in the comment. Thanks.